Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub Copilot in VS Code. First off, you need to install GitHub Copilot in VS Code. You can install it in the Extensions Marketplace tab in VS Code. Just search for GitHub Copilot and install it. After installation, sign in with your GitHub account and enable your Copilot subscription. To do that, in here at the bottom right, there should be a tiny button. And when you click on it, it'll show up the setup of GitHub Copilot. It's pretty easy. It'll just ask to connect with your GitHub account, and it'll set up itself immediately. Once activated, start typing in a file. Copilot will suggest code in real time. For example, let me just type in the code. And now as you can see here, there are what's called ghost texts, kind of like the autofill feature when you're searching in Google. You can press tab to accept this, or just space, or even escape to dismiss it. And that's how to use GitHub Copilot in VS Code.